We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. I believe there are many educators who are teaching this song in school even today. We ourselves have sang this song in our school, and this is so very popular. We never know when we started humming this song, but this song is a flagship of optimism. I believe being optimistic does not always mean that we have to be positive all the time, but at least we are positive that one day in the future, we are going to overcome all the obstacles and challenges, and we are going to come out victorious. And that is what optimism is all about. As mothers, as women, we are initiating the process of optimism because we give birth to a life. And that is what can be more optimistic than a new life.
Those who wish to sing always find a song. You are the one in charge of your own decisions, your actions, your happiness, and your destiny. It's all right to fulfill all your desires, but just seeking them out until you reach them and being persistent if obstacles pop up. Anyway, who doesn't have them? Understandably, if you are an optimist, this bodes well for your future because negative events are more likely to roll off your back, while positive events will affirm your belief in your future. Your ability to make good things happen now and in the future and in the goodness of life. But yes, indeed, as Joy Ma'am said, it's easier said than done. Optimism is a mental attitude characterized by hope, confidence in the success and positive future. Whereas we expect good things to happen, pessimists indeed predict unfavorable outcomes. And that's where the first one broke out with me when I was questioned in a session, hey, you are a motivational speaker. You would never be sad. I said, am I not human? Do I not bleed if you pinch me or cut me? I do. I have my own problems. I have my own obstacles. I have my own challenges. The point is, I'm just like that phoenix who knows how to burn its ashes and then rise up again and spring back from the same ashes.
It's easier said than done. It's just about having that optimistic spirit within you. So it's all about hope. It's that, okay, even if things have not gone the way I had, thought they will go or desired in life, we are still going to look at the brighter side. And everyone has their own share of, things that may go wrong or as not as we expected. But our attitude in life is actually what determines the state that we are in today. Because there's always something to be happy about, there's always something to be grateful about. And that mindfulness that we should have is that, yes, focus on the good, not the wrong that's happened, not the bad things, not the sad things that have happened in life. Because if we focus on just what we are grateful about, then we'll be optimistic. Because optimism is all about our hope, which brings about confidence. And also that thing that, okay, tomorrow things will not be that bad. So we always hear that, good times don't last and neither do bad times. So live in that moment. I think that is my key word for being optimistic.
That's optimism.
People who are very much optimistic, they get everything in their life. वो हमेशा खुश रहते हैं and जो वो चाहते हैं उन्हें मिलता है. तो they are always very happy go person you can say. Okay, then second category according to me जो मेरे पास मुझे समझ में आ रहा है वो है जैसे कुछ लोग जो है ना एकदम विक्टिम मोड में रहते हैं हमेशा. वो मैं बेचारा उन्हें अगर हम समझाने की चेष्टा भी करते if you want to try to explain them, if they come to you, you want to explain them, you want to actually help them, but after a period of time you realize they like to be in a victim mode. मैं बेचारा, they like to be called in, I mean मैं बेचारा person, they don't want to They don't want to change their thought process at all. Then according to me comes is one who keeps trying, and sometimes the mood is yes, sometimes it is no. So I actually understand, I actually associate with these kinds of people, because in our lives we are not always optimistic. हम हमेशा आशावादी नहीं रहते हैं, you know, कभी ups and कभी downs. So I feel like speaking for those people, I mean to connect to those people, तो जैसे मुझे इसके लिए कहना रहता है कि जैसे होप हमेशा रखो.
Optimism opens a door in a very difficult, or you can say hopeless situations. So no matter what the crisis be, anyone who can maintain this outlook, that is the time, or that is the sign that we have something different, or a viewpoint which is very different. And right now, if we talk about this scenario, we all have come out of COVID, yet people are suffering from things, their financial setbacks, their economic setbacks, their emotional setbacks. So one has to believe this is what we had to be, the life wanted to teach us. So that is the reason we are facing all these things. Sometimes signal has to be very clear, even harsh. And this was the signal from God. God gave me the opportunity to be a mother, and it's like beyond expression through words, that what all I have learned through just being a mother. I've seen my mom doing a lot of things, and every time saying, it's all right, ho jayega, tu pareshan mat hua kar. And today I myself speaking those words makes me feel that yes, everything will happen, just it is the matter of time. So definitely everybody mentioned it very beautifully, and I also would like to conclude on the same note, that we are women. If we hope and we are confident enough, we can make everything possible.
Every night, every second, every minute, I always feel that I have to be optimistic to help the other ladies or the girls who are suffering more than me. And you won't believe, because why I'm doing this pageant, because when I see a lot of housewives, doctors, engineers, they all are suffering from some domestic violence. And you know what is the reason? Because they are not financially independent. And every year when I give them the platform, and when they do something, and when they started earning a little bit of money, like 10,000 or 20,000, they come and they thank me, and I feel so peaceful that finally I'm able to save one life, crying all night, all alone, because I have suffered a lot all alone. Nobody was there, because I thought it's my life. I have to rule it out. I have to take the best, and same energy I have to spread. To spread that same energy, I have to fight it back. And that is the thing I always think. You have to be very optimistic with whatever you come in life, whatever may comes, you have to fight it back. And once you fight it back, you will get the strength to, help others.